Let's make these crispy garlic potato bites. Grate a few cooked potatoes and add them to a bowl. To it, add the grated garlic, salt, pepper, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, green chilies, coriander leaves, maida, corn flour and mix them well. To this, add some breadcrumbs and mix it all again. Once the moisture is removed and the mixture has come to a dough consistency, refrigerate for 1 hour. To a small bowl, mix corn flour, maida and water. Apply oil to your palms, take the potato mixture, roll it into desired shapes. Take each piece and dip it in the corn flour slurry first, then coat it with breadcrumbs. Heat a pan and pour enough oil into it. Gently drop the balls into the oil. Fry them until they turn to a nice golden brown color. Remove from the oil and place them on a plate. The crunchy garlic potato bites are ready to be served nice and hot with some nice tomato ketchup or mayo by the side. You can enjoy these as a starter or as a snack. Happy cooking with home cooking.